Right, ladies and gents, we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. So yesterday I said if the market doesn't break above our resistance right there, the market will come down, break below our support right there, come back to retest it and continue to the downside, and then tap into our key level right here in order to continue to the upside. But we can see there the market break below our support right there, but we never got a proper retest yet, so we just break. So we are still waiting for a retest before the market can come and tap into our zone right there. So let's go over to the 15 minute to check our game plan for today. So this is currently on the 15 minute. Let me zoom out a bit. So we are currently on the 15 minutes. So in the 15 minute, we see from that high to this low, the market was creating a lower high. So if I check my key level right there, from that high to this low, my key level was right here, right at that zone there. So that was the first entry I gave yesterday in the VIP signal group. That was the first entry. If you can check, the market did come very close to my entry zone, but it touches my 50% Fibonacci zone, so I went straight in there on that sniper entry. My second entry for today will be right here from this high, and I see the market is starting to reject at this low, and because I know, let me just delete it. So my second entry will be from this high to this low, because I know the market hasn't come back to this area of support yet to come and reject it fully. I mean to come and retest it fully. So we haven't got the retest yet. So I'm still waiting for the market to come back to the support area right there to come and retest it, and then come and tap into our key area of support right here before it continues to the upside. So this is what I'm still waiting for. So let me delete that. So for now, I'm gonna take my Fibonacci from that high to this low, because I already see the market is starting to create this low, and then I take my key area right there. So I'm gonna wait for the market to tap right into that area in order for me to sell again to the downside. So this is the game plan for today. So we see from there the market has created market structure for us. It has created higher lower lows and lower highs. So I'm still expecting the market to do that in order for us to continue to the upside. So this is the game plan for today, gents. So today I'm gonna wait for sales right there, and if the market doesn't give me sales right there, I'm gonna wait for it right at this level, and if it breaks above this level, then I'm gonna start looking for buys to the upside, because that means it broke structure. So that's the plan for today, gents. So let's wait for the market to come to us, and then we execute.